Hello, Ate Ning! Nice to see you again! Gala ulit kami mga guys. Kasi baka matagal na din tayo hindi makita ulit na tiba.
Oo nga.
Kasi mabibisi na din ako.
Yeah, ito na
But
yung
yes,
ano na.
susulitin muna namin to ha. At kakain muna kami. Kasi gutom. Gutom yung bituka. May hinihintay pa kami mga palangga na isang ulam. So ito beef brisket to, hot pot beef brisket. Sana ate okay sa'yo kasi medyo maanghang talaga yan. I-try mo lang yung pinakataas. Thank you. It's here. Oo. Ano ba? Yan. Sige, kuha ka. Yan. Kain. So, after namin kumain, dito kami sa milk teahan nila. At may pa-Halloween na, oh. Tingnan niyo. Yung display nila. Maganda, at least. Nag-prepare sila for Halloween, di ba? Para ano naman sila, oo, para uso-uso naman sila ba? Sabay-sabay sa uso. Ito na yung milk tea namin. Masarap ba ito? Kaya ate, meron ka bang ano dyan? Yan mo talaga. Ba? Yan. Patay tayo. Patay tayo din. Masarap ba? Gusto ko to. Hindi naman masyadong matamis. Matamis ba sa'yo?
Hindi. Sarap siya. Ganun din, ang lasa. Ganun.
I am home. So, nasa bahay na ako mga loves. Honey, are you not eating now? Oh. Anyway, I'm home. So, bumili ako ng rice. Pahirapan to. Kawawa sa Ate Divina kasi tinulungan niya ako kasi I was hesitating talaga na to buy rice kasi kung saan ako nag-park at yung shop, medyo malayo-layo talaga. And so, carry a 10 kilograms of rice. Medyo mabigat talaga. Tapos may bag pa akong dala. So, sa Ate Divina, tinulungan niya ako sa at ang liit-liit na Ate Divina, mas maliit pa siya sa akin. So, I carry halfway and she carry halfway of it as well. Thank you, Ate, for helping me. So, bumili tayo ng plantain. Hilaw pa to. Kailangan natin to pahinugin. Ito, dalawa. Tatlo to, pero binigay ko yung isa kay Ate Divina. Packing tape. Tinatlo ko na. Ito. So, tago 1 pound lang naman to. So, 50 pins each. Hindi naman siya masyadong thick talaga yung roll niya. And palaging ginagamit to ni Mr. yung packing tape. Kaya, nung nakita ko na 1 pound lang. So, I grabbed the opportunity na. And, yung spray ni Mr. Yan. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung magugustuhan niya dito. Kaya, I just get 1 each. And lastly, charger. Kasi yung charger ko, nasira na siya ba? Yan. So, mahaba 2 meters. And ito, bumili ako ng kay Mr. panghapunan. Kasi naawa ako mga palangga. Kasi normally talaga, pag day off ko, nagluluto ako sa bahay. We eat together. Kumain na kasi ako sa labas. So, na ako sa kanya ba? Nagigilty ako pag wala akong dala.
Guilty.
Ha?
Guilty as charged.
Guilty as charged. I'll put this in a microwave.
Okay. Water line anyway.
Okay. Transfer ko lang to. Itong rice natin. Kasi tomorrow kasi meron na naman akong trabaho. So hindi naman ako makapagluto sa kanya. So kaya I decide na mag-take away na lang. That's it. We are stuck. Hindi na tayo magugutom nito. Hello mga loves. So, katapos ko lang sa aking trabaho. So, ito na naman tayo. Lakad-lakad. Nakakahingal. Pero this is a good exercise. We're home. And yeah. Another progress mga loves. Wait lang. Hello, mister.
Hello, Mel.
So yeah, yung progress is ito, another layer.
It was double that. That's mostly finished. Is that
It looks big now, you know.
It's only the ground floor down there, isn't it?
I know, but yeah. Whoa. That's,
You can see.
I cannot see now from here. So yeah, ang laki na ng
See
progress.
that brick there?
Yeah, that
That-
brick
That's where the wood goes across for the floor from
for
there.
the floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you put it next floor.
Right. I'm so gutom. I am hungry mga loves. Oh, nagluto pala ng rice si Mister. Oh, kasi kahapon nag-take away ako ng ng Chinese kasi pumunta nga kami ni Ate Divina sa town kahapon and 2 ulam yung tinake away ko. And yung isang ulam, hindi namin kinain kahapon. So sabi ko, kainin mo na lang for tomorrow, which is for today. How was the,
Very good.
was it, do you like it? Yeah, good. I'll just have an ensaymada. Thank you sa nagbigay. You know who you are. Salamat talaga, Inday. So, 3 yung ensaymada na binigay niya. Isang ubi at isang yema and 2 ubi. So, yeah. Sobrang, mas bet ko yung yema. But, yeah, halos magka-same lang naman sila. Oh!
Husband was thinking of the wife.
Thank you. Uy, thank you. Hello, it's another day mga loves and it's another working day and I time out talaga sa work on time. So 6:30 talaga. And ano na yung oras dito? 7:09. And I don't know if you can see it properly. Gusto ko mabigay sa inyo ng upload kasi ang dami ng
Daylight down.
yeah.
He won't be back now until next week.
He's not back now.
No, this is
Okay. So, magbibigay na lang ako ulit na sa
Well, we
inyo
can
ng
really
update
stay
mga
with-
palangga.
me and Steve can do what we need to do anyway. So we're not gonna all done in 1 week anyway. with
Kasi
Steve,
no
so.
point na ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon and medyo madilim na ba. Anyway, let's go inside Honeybee. I've been to the village shop.
I know.
You know, you've been tracking me, aren't you? You always track me. You always wonder where I am. Why you always track? Why you always track me?
Put my phone back and leave, won't it? So I have to watch.
So, oops. Gutom ako mga loves. Bumili ako ng Quavers. Puro unhealthy snacks. Walker, yung paborito ni Mr. At ito yung kakainin ko tonight. Itong chicken and bacon tortellini. Yan, 2 yung binili ko. Hindi na ako bumili ng sauce kasi meron naman akong sauce. Oh, ito pala oh. Itong almond fingers. I'm here. I'm home and it's another day mga loves. Don't be confused with this a lot of another days.
But this is weekend. Now, time out.
Yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna change. And from above mga loves, bibigyan ko kayo ng update sa extension before ako bababa para mag-ride out with Mr. So ito na yung update ko kasi kahapon nga 'di ba? Pag-uwi ko sa bahay madilim na kasi nakauwi talaga ako mga 7 o'clock na and yun na madilim na. So anyway, ito na siya. Wala ngayon si Kuya so walang changes. So kung ano yung pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon na hopefully nakita niyo, yan lang siya. Wala siyang pinagkaiba. So, tomorrow, pupunta yung asawa ni Ate Janice para maglagay daw sila dito ng kahoy or something. I don't know. But yeah, pupunta yung asawa ni Ate Janice para tulungan si Mr. Meron silang gagawin dito sa area na to. And then, yeah, that will be another progress. And si Kuya na nag-wool dito, babalik siya next week. Right, bababa tayo kasi si Mr. excited siyang mag-ride out. Kasi alam niyo kung bakit siya excited mag-ride out. I don't know kung napansin niyo ba o nakita niyo. Yung car ni Mr. is nagbago na. Meron na tayong bagong baby sa bahay. Wait, I just gonna put a lipstick on. Of course, so that will be pretty in your car.
You already are.
So good oy. Sabi niya, I'm already are daw. So yun, meron na tayong bagong edisyon sa bahay. Let's go out. And ipakita ko sa inyo. So, we decided like 2 weeks ago
What?
to get a new car. And ito na. Excited si Mr. dito. Tadan! So ito na. So ito na yung kulay ng sasakyan, ng bagong sasakyan yan.
It's a new Range Rover Autobiography D350 diesel. 0 to 100 miles an hour in 5.6 seconds.
Yeah, so let's go.
Very quick.
So I don't know kung narinig nyo ba, sabi ni Mr. Can you do that again? It pop out. Okay. Okay. Right, do it again. Kasi yung sasakyan namin yung isa, yung yung hawakan, talaga siya, naka ganito lang, pero ito nagtatago. Okay. Oh, it's nice. And it has got a big screen now. Help me. Good evening. It's okay. I need to sit this up again on my... I think it's okay. Kasi nasiset mo kasi yung chair to your liking.
Right, so
The front.
adjust.
Just to pump it up a little bit. That one!
Yeah, heads up.
Oh, 60 yeah. Yeah, on the screen mga la. 60 miles.
That's what it gives you speed.
Or
and-
parking.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you don't have to look down, you just look in
I
front.
cannot see it from this
No,
angle.
you're not supposed
Passenger,
to. It's the driver. Well,
the passenger angle. You cannot
this
see
is
it from
the
here.
clear view.
Oh yeah.
I don't like it, you know.
What do you mean?
It's weak. No, then you just go into normal mirror if you want.
Oh,
That's on your camera.
yeah. That's the back now.
But it's when I'm driving, I look at it. It does my eyes.
All right, let's go. Come on. I need to eat, and I'm hungry. I've been at work.
Okay.
Come on now. Let's go. Let's go and just have a ride. That's it. We're done sa aming ride out. Para sa akin mga palangga, car is car. Pero yan yung gusto niya na magpalit ng sasakyan. Kaya supportahan natin kasi pera naman niya yan. Pinaghirapan niya. Deserve niya yan. He worked so hard for what he got. Kaya wala naman akong complain. I'll take a picture of you, honeybee.
I love the back end of these, you know.
Yun na.
I think they're so sexy.
So ito na yung bagong sasakyan ni Mr. Ay, kakain na ako mga palangga kasi gutom talaga ako. Si
Right.
Mister, ano pa, obsessed pa yan sa bagong sasakyan niya.
Yeah.
So sabi kasi niya na magpapalit na ako ng sasakyan kasi matanda na daw yung sasakyan niya. So sabi ko, paano yung extension? Sabi niya na hindi muna natin itutuloy. Joke lang. Joke lang. Sabi niya, kaya pa naman kahit na bumili ng sasakyan. Kaya sabi ko, okay, ikaw bahala. Basta sabi mo na kaya pa di, I trust you na lang. Pagkain ang boda ako mga loves ha. Kasi pagod talaga ako. We're so busy. And yeah, I need food to function.